The white screen issue on the DoorDash Dasher app manifests as a blank white screen upon launch or during use, often leading to crashes. This problem is linked to app bugs, cache corruption, network instability, or device-specific glitches. DoorDash has released stability patches in updates like version 4.72 for iOS and 4.73 for Android to address rendering bugs. If you encounter this, first ensure you have a stable 4G, 5G, or Wi-Fi connection. Weak signals can interrupt data loading, leading to timeouts and blank screens. Also, confirm that your device meets the minimum OS requirements, iOS 14 Plus or Android 8 Plus. Start with basic troubleshooting. Restart your device, also called a soft reset. This clears temporary memory issues that might cause the white screen. If restarting doesn't work, clear the app's cache. On iOS, go to Settings, then General, iPhone Storage, find Dasher, and select Offload App. On Android, navigate to Settings, Apps, select Dasher, go to Storage, and choose Clear Cache. If the problem persists, update or reinstall the app from the App Store or Google Play. This ensures you have the latest version with bug fixes. For advanced issues, try booting your device in safe mode to isolate app conflicts. Contact DoorDash support for in-app diagnostics that check cache and network issues. Community forums like Reddit's r/DoorDash offer user solutions for device-specific problems.